So up here at the top of the stairs, you're welcomed by this very large lens. This is the largest one we've made, and it's a 13-armed Argonaut, I've named it, and that's because there are creatures below the sea that do grow, just like sea fans, coral, but also crawling starfish. So this was if you like, inspired by a family member of the starfish family, and it has many, many arms. And so I'm pleased to display for the first time this Argonaut with 13 different radial sections. It's got a very slight wave to it as well, which is deliberate. And like when you go down the beach, you see all the ripples in the sand. And so this led me to think about ripples and about splashes, and about the water surface and the liminal zones again. And I'm always working with these transparent forms, these semi-transparent forms. So I thought, well, I'll try it in solid and see if I can get the metal to move in a ripple. And of course, it's easy with a hammer to do it once, but to repeat it and keep it going and splash on and then overlap them is really quite difficult. But then we tried it, and we've managed to get these different pieces of steel, different thicknesses, really experimented around to try and get the right balance between the thickness of the steel and the radiant splashes. So we press these in time and time again, almost to the limit where the steel starts to tear, because we want to have ones that are fresh, like just drips, but also ones that are petering out and just beginning to disappear. So there's this great big torus here, and then there's on the other side with a smaller piece, but still quite large really as a ball piece. But again, we play around with the texture and oxide to create something much warmer. And I don't think it splashes in mud quite as well as in water, but we make the oxides, and I love the way that metal reacts with oxygen. So it was a delight, it was fun to make this one, and the torus as well. So yeah, come and see these, and also the smaller ones, with some very small 6-inch ones as well in frames as well. So we've really played around with scale,